Hello, my name is Celesia Acosta. I am from Pima, Arizona, and I'm getting my welding certificate and my associates in psychology. I chose EAC because of the location and also because of the financial support that they have. I actually ended up choosing to be in the welding program because I randomly picked a welding class. I took it and I had so much fun. It was just absolutely amazing. That's kind of what led to me taking other classes, and I've learned how to understand vocabulary, how to do the science of it all. I've learned how to use machines that I probably would have never come in contact with if I did not take any of these classes. I feel really included in all the activities, even whenever we're doing big projects, wherever we're learning how to do something new. I'm right there with pretty much everyone else, standing side by side, we're doing the same thing.